Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, Jamaica's national soccer teams, in collaboration with Adidas, have unveiled new home and away kits featuring designs inspired by the nation's heritage. The kits launched on June 6 showcase the national bird, the Dr. Bird, and the national flower, the Lignum vitae, and they're all in their patterns. Now, the home kit has a yellow base with green raglan sleeves and black Adidas stripes and a black V-neck collar trim, while the away kit displays the pattern in full color on a black base with yellow detail.
Oh, nice. So the new kits debuted during the Reggae Boys World Cup qualification match against Dom Rep, which happened on Thursday, continuing the success of Jamaica's recent Adidas partnership. The designs, which include traditional Jamaican motifs and nods to the country's history, reflect the colors of the Jamaican flag: yellow for home, black for away, and green for the pre-match jersey. So the kit also features the nicknames Reggae Girls and Reggae Boys stitched below the collar. Prominent figures like dancehall artist Shensia, I think we saw in the picture, and Reggae Girls players Khadijah Shaw, Becky Spencer, and Drew Spence have been featured in the kit launch, and the new designs are now available for purchase. This is right up your street.
Yeah, I've seen them.
Do you like?
Yeah, actually, I like the new kits.
I like the kind of African-looking design here.
Yeah, I thought it looked more South American, Aztec, Mayan, but I like I
love it.
The darker kit, the away kit.
Yes.
The home kit, I didn't realize the details of it. It says pretty much the same thing as the green kit, the darker kit, but I like it.
So you're ready to purchase?
Warm-up kit. Me, I would buy it.
Yeah, me too.
I've Tutu?
Yes.
Yeah,
this would be great to send to even
it.
my relatives abroad too.
So you're buying it to send it away?
I'm just saying they would enjoy it too.
Okay, cool.
So yeah.
Yeah, about not the last kit that they had, but the kit before. They had this black kit that was like amazing. I didn't get that one, and I'm hoping that maybe somehow they bring it back.
For the right price, I'm sure they would bring it back.
Maybe, but I think it's a different company.
Okay.
But this Adidas sponsorship is
yes.
It's really
congratulations.
Nice.
That's wonderful.
I like it. I'm gonna get.
All right, so Dufton will get some for the entire Daytime Live team. Wonderful. Thank you, Dufton. That's so kind of you.
I'll get you the receipt or the order number.
Continuing in buzz now. So Rihanna, yes, is expanding her business ventures into the hair care industry with the announcement of Fenty Hair set to launch on June 13. So the new line will offer a versatile range of products designed for all hair types. Rihanna, known for her diverse hairstyles, shared the news on Instagram, showcasing a blonde pixie cut and expressing that her personal hair experiments inspired the creation of the line. She emphasized that the products are intended to strengthen and repair all types of hair, encouraging users to embrace different styles while maintaining healthy hair.
Fenty Hair follows the success of Rihanna's Fenty Beauty, launched in 2017, which revolutionized the makeup industry with its inclusive range of over 40 foundation shades. Now, Rihanna highlighted the importance of inclusivity in her brands, aiming to cater to diverse skin tones and hair textures. Her commitment to variety and representation has been a consistent theme as seen in her previous ventures, and she aims to bring the same ethos to Fenty Hair, allowing everyone to play and get stronger by this style.
Okay, nice. So Beyonce did hers. Beyonce has her own hair care line too.
Yeah.
Yeah, and now Rihanna is out with hers. Interesting. But I can't recall what Rihanna's real hair looks like. I don't know if maybe the pixie cut is her real hair. But Beyonce showcased her natural curly texture here. It's long and she kind of shut up everybody that was, shading her and things. So congrats to both of them. Congrats,
so Beyonce has one, Rihanna has one.
Yeah.
But Jordan Sparks has no hair. Jordan Sparks.
How Jordan Sparks come in?
No hair.
Oh my. No, drop the H, Dufton. It's no air. No H, no aspiration. Comedian, there's no aspiration, okay? You're doing a Jamaican thing when you add the H. No. So do you have any shout outs? I'd asked you that earlier, you didn't answer.
big up a barber them. Big up Clive, I hold up him man.
Clive,
Shout out.
Clive is asking you to do a shout out
Shout
for
out
him.
who? Happy birthday to my mother. Happy belated birthday. I don't know if they did it for you on Wednesday, but I'm telling you, to be good, nice, clean, good up mother. Big up yourself. Happy birthday, B. All heap of love and all heap of love and all heap of love from me and from the rest of your children and other loved ones.
Okay, but that's very good, but that's not what Clive said.
I don't remember what Claire said.
Okay, great. Well, a belated happy birthday to Simone from Tasha Nails. Yeah, I love her so much. So Clive is trying again.
Oh, and Sabrina from Accounts, happy birthday, happy belated birthday coming from Clive and the entire camera crew. Today? Well, happy belated birthday because your birthday is today. I will never tell them. Today, so.
We're so sorry.
Yeah, no, you can't do this.
Time Live will be right back. We apologize on behalf of TVJ for Dufton Shepherd. And when we come back,
Big up
we'll
to
have
Shive Restaurant.
And we're talking about Camp Lux. Thankfully, Daytime Live will be right back. Jesus. Why you stay so?